Today, we will show you how to create this cute stacked pull-through braid. Welcome to Hairstyle Camp. For this hairstyle, you will need some bobby pins, a pintail comb, a hairbrush, a claw clip, a bow clip, hairspray, a cotton rubber band, and some mini transparent elastic rubber bands. With everything ready, it's time to start styling. First, brush the hair from top to bottom to remove any tangles and make it smooth. Once the hair is smooth and tangle-free, gather it into a high ponytail and secure it with the cotton rubber band. Separate a small section of hair from the ponytail and wrap it around the rubber band. Pin the wrapped section underneath with a bobby pin to keep it secure. Take a very small section from the top of the ponytail and clip it out of the way with a claw clip. This piece will become the slim accent braid that runs down the center of the main braid at the end. Now divide the rest of the ponytail into two sections. Keep the bottom section slightly larger than the top. Secure the top section with a mini elastic a little below the base of the ponytail. Make a small opening in the hair just above the elastic and pull the bottom section up through the center. That pulled through section is now your new top section. Take another small piece from the new top section and clip it together with the section you separated earlier. Once again, secure the top section with another mini elastic a little lower down and pull the current bottom section up through the center. Repeat these same steps all the way down the ponytail. Take your time with each section. As you secure each top section with an elastic band, try to keep the spacing fairly even. The more even the spacing is, the cleaner the finished shape will look. Once you reach the end, your pull-through braid is complete. Now let's move on to creating the center accent braid with the sections we set aside earlier. Take the topmost section and divide it into 3 sections. Start regular 3-strand braiding right down the center of the pull-through braid. After you make the first few braid crosses, start adding in those loose strands you left out earlier. Pick up one from one side, braid it in, then pick up the next from the opposite side and braid that in too. Keep working downward, adding the pre-sectioned strands as they appear. As you braid, keep the center braid slim and neat so it sits right in the middle. The finished look should appear as if the braid is stitched over the fuller pull-through shape underneath. When you reach the bottom, finish the small braid and secure it together with the rest of the tail using clear elastic. Make sure center braid's tail and the main tail are held together, so the center braid stays anchored in place instead of hanging loose. Attach your bow clip right over the last elastic. And that's the completed hairstyle. A soft pull-through ponytail with a delicate center braid running straight down the middle.